Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. So let's write here on the screen. And this is the euro and the US dollar pair. From an Elliott waves point of view, this pair looks both bearish and bullish. Therefore, I am favoring both put options and call options with, of course, different expiration dates. Now, what do we have here? Well, we had the move to the downside all the way into the actual lows, 10.0460 area. And then the market jumped to the upside in what is, from my point of view, a first wave in terms of Elliott waves. You might say, all right, it is a first wave. So what about this first wave? Well, this first wave is being called an impulsive move with a double extension. A double extension means that two waves are extended and not only one. In terms of Elliott waves, goes with the following structure. From here, you have the first wave, then the second wave is a running correction, the third wave, the fourth to the downside, and 161.8 applied there will give you the fifth wave. Beautifully first wave. However, if you mark the top on the first wave, and then you take the 161.8 retracement, the 61.8 retracement, sorry, you are seeing that 61.8 actually comes in here. Now, the so-called second wave in red most likely is not done, because rarely second wave ends at the 61.8. So this would be of a lower degree than the first wave in red. This would be something like the first wave, let's say in blue, to end in here. And because it ends with a contracting triangle, it means it is a complex correction, most likely a double or a triple combination. In this case, most likely a double combination that ended right here, like this, with this triangle. And from this moment on, we should look to the upside for what? For a corrective wave, for the B wave. Alright, you might ask, where is the B wave, or where does the B wave end? Well, this is a tricky question, because if the B wave ended here, then we are having a so-called common flat pattern. And in a common flat pattern, market is mandatory to come below the lows in previous wave A, but cannot go much more than 123.6 when compared with the whole length of the B wave. So that calls for 106.80, 106 area to come, and this is where this market is going. Is this, or is it something different if the B wave ends at the highs there? No. Only the name is going to be called an irregular flattened in that case. However, the move here to the downside, so we're looking for a C wave. Let's try to clone this one from here and to put it into this area. We're looking for a C wave into this area, but C waves are always impulsive moves with the exception of a leg of a triangle. Well, if this is gotta be an impulsive move, we don't have an impulsive move in here, at least not yet. If it is like, if it has corrective waves, then it's got to be a terminal impulsive move. So we're looking first possibility for the terminal impulsive move is the wedge. So we're looking for a falling wedge in this case. Taking into account the fact that the market is expecting the non-farm payrolls to be released on Friday, then our wedge should stretch all the way to Friday. And from my point of view, of an even lower degree, we might have already the first wave, let's make it in, I don't know, of a different color like this. Then to look for the second wave, but the second wave ideally to end probably around here with or after a new leg low. And then all the way 3, 4, 5 in something like this to be the shape. So from here to have one and the second wave, something like this, and the third, the fourth, the fifth, this will be the wedge, and then the market to go to the upside. Therefore, or as a consequence, I would like to trade put options from current levels and call options from here, but expiration date would be the following. For the put options, we'll have end of month expiration date, meaning tomorrow, as tomorrow is the 31st of March. So put options with end of March, expiration date, and by the time market comes into this, let's put it with black, by the time market comes into our area or buying area 10680, let's say, we want to buy call options with 1 week expiration date or even end of month. So call options by the time 10680 area comes with 1 week expiration date or end of month. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. We're looking at both put and call options on the euro and the US dollar. Bye bye.